You're recruiting new affiliates. Your program looks active, but your revenue is flat and your best performers keep disappearing, and you have no idea why. That confusion is costing you more than you think, because when you don't know why your top affiliates are leaving, you keep doing the same things, getting the same results, and running in circles. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the 5 real reasons your top affiliates quit so you can stop guessing and start fixing it. The first reason your top affiliates are leaving is simple. You're not paying them correctly or on time. This one is non-negotiable. Late payments and incorrect payouts are the fastest trust killers in affiliate marketing. And here's the thing about top affiliates. They don't argue with you about it. They don't send angry emails. They just stop promoting your offer and move on to a program that pays them correctly and on time every single time. Think about it from their perspective. They put in the work, they drove the traffic, they generated the conversions, and then they have to chase you down for their money. That's not a partnership. That's a red flag. Most programs run into this problem because they're managing payouts manually. Spreadsheets, bank transfers tracked by hand, commission calculations done in someone's inbox. It's not scalable and it's not reliable. And the moment a top affiliate experiences even one bad payment cycle, the trust is gone. The second reason your top affiliates are leaving is that they have zero visibility into their own performance. Your top affiliates are not passive. They are running their own businesses and they treat affiliate marketing like the serious revenue channel it is. They want to know exactly how many clicks they're driving, how many of those clicks are converting, and how much they're earning in real time. If your program can't give them that level of transparency, another program will, and they will go to that program. A lack of visibility isn't just inconvenient for affiliates. It sends a message. It tells them that you're not organized, that you're not investing in the infrastructure of your program, and that you don't respect their time or their business. The best affiliates operate on data. If they can't see the data, they can't optimize. And if they can't optimize, they lose interest fast. The third reason your top affiliates are leaving is that your commission structure gives them absolutely no reason to push harder. Flat commissions are a ceiling. If every affiliate in your program earns the same rate, regardless of performance, you're telling your best performers that there's no reward for working harder. Think about that for a second. You have an affiliate driving 10 times more revenue than anyone else in your program, and they're earning the same percentage as someone who sent you 5 clicks last month. That's not a retention strategy. That's a churn strategy. High performers in any field want to know that their results are recognized and rewarded. They want a tiered structure where the more they produce, the more they earn. They want performance bonuses, private offers, and incentives that make it worth their while to push harder. If your program doesn't have that, the next program they join will. The fourth reason your top affiliates are leaving is that your communication is slow, unclear, or completely non-existent. The best affiliates have options. They are not locked into your program. They choose it. And one of the biggest reasons they unchoose it is because they feel invisible. No updates on new offers, no response when they have a question, no personal touch that makes them feel like they're actually a valued partner in your business. Affiliates who feel connected to your brand, your mission, and your team are affiliates who stick around. They become advocates. They recruit other affiliates. They go above and beyond to promote your offer because they feel like they're part of something. But when communication breaks down, that connection disappears. And without that connection, your program is just another link they can stop sharing at any time. The fifth reason your top affiliates are leaving is that your onboarding was so weak that they never fully activated in the first place. This one is the silent killer. Most affiliate churn doesn't happen 6 months into the program. It happens in the first 2 weeks. If your onboarding process doesn't clearly explain how your offers work, how tracking is set up, what creatives are available, and how affiliates can actually succeed in your program, they will disengage before they ever really start. They signed up with excitement, but then they logged into a confusing dashboard, couldn't figure out where to start, sent you a message that took 3 days to get a response, and quietly gave up. This is most likely happening in your program right now, and you probably don't even know it because the affiliate never officially quit. They just stopped. So now you know the 5 reasons your top affiliates are leaving. Let's talk about how to actually fix them. Trackdesk is the affiliate management platform built specifically for programs that want to grow and retain the partners who drive real revenue. For payouts, Trackdesk automates the entire process. No more manual spreadsheets, no more payment errors, no more delayed settlements. Your affiliates get paid correctly and on time every single time, which builds the kind of trust that keeps them in your program for the long term. For visibility, every affiliate in your program gets access to a real-time dashboard where they can track their clicks, conversions, and and earnings with full transparency. They have the data they need to optimize their strategy, and you have the reporting you need to identify your top performers and make smarter decisions. For commission structures, Trackdesk gives you full flexibility to build tiered commission models, set performance bonuses, and customize payout rates for individual affiliates or groups. You can reward your best performers in a way that actually motivates them to scale. For communication, Trackdesk centralizes all affiliate interactions in one place. You can send updates, share new offers, and stay connected with your entire partner base without things falling through the cracks. And for onboarding, Trackdesk gives you the tools to create a structured, professional onboarding experience that gets affiliates activated fast. From the moment they join your program, they know exactly what to do, where to find resources, and how to succeed. That is how you stop the churn. That is how you build a program that scales. Here's what I want you to take away from this video. Retention is the growth lever that most affiliate managers completely ignore. You can recruit all day long, but if you're not keeping the affiliates who actually perform, you are running in circles. Fix the 5 things we talked about today, and you will see the difference in your program almost immediately. If you want to get started with Trackdesk and stop losing your best affiliates, the first link in the description below will take you directly to the platform where you can start your free trial. And if you want to go even deeper on protecting your affiliate program, make sure you watch the next video on screen right now. Inside, we go deep into one of the biggest threats to your program's revenue that most managers don't even realize is happening until it has already cost them thousands of dollars. You don't want to miss that one.